So our project is Ethereum Contract Explorer, and the tagline is discover and track all the transactions on the Ethereum blockchain. In the world of blockchain, there are many projects that are striving to provide a comprehensive view of the Ethereum network and its various contracts. Ethereum Contract Explorer is one such project that aims to provide a one-stop shop for viewing and exploring contracts and their associated data on Ethereum. Ethereum Contract Explorer falls under the tooling and infrastructure domain. The purpose of the project is to provide users with a comprehensive and user-friendly interface for viewing and exploring Ethereum contracts and their associated data. The project aims to fill the gap left by existing products such as Etherscan, Explorer, and BlockScout by providing a comprehensive view of the Ethereum network and its DeFi contracts. In comparison to Etherscan, our project is also open source, and in comparison to BlockScout, our project is primarily written for developers in JavaScript and TypeScript. Ethereum Contract Explorer provides users with a wide range of features, including the ability to view Ethereum contracts, their associated data, surface-specific contracts, track contracts over time, and we can view contract analytics such as contract usage, contract balance, and contract transactions. By using Ethereum Contract Explorer, users can gain a better understanding of the Ethereum network and its various contracts. The project provides users with a one-stop shop for viewing and exploring Ethereum contracts, leading to more efficient and effective analysis and decision-making. The Explorer provides users with the ability to browse through common DeFi projects or any other verified smart contract from Etherscan, find related smart contracts on different networks, and visualize and interact with the contract's resources and states. To achieve this, I connected Rainbow Kit, Bugme Ethers to the Explorer, and refactored the types in TypeScript. So in conclusion, Ethereum Contract Explorer is an important tool for anyone looking to gain a better understanding of the Ethereum network and its various contracts. By providing a comprehensive and user-friendly interface for viewing and exploring Ethereum contracts and their associated data, Ethereum Contract Explorer is sure to be a valuable tool for developers, investors, and anyone interested in the world of blockchain. Now we'll demonstrate the demo. Here is the demo. Here we can enter the contract address, and it will go to the page of the contract. So here we actually demonstrate the most common actions on Ethereum and their associated price. Here we demonstrate the very easy access to DeFi projects and their associated contracts. So for example, for Maker and for every project we have a description and a friendly interface. So for example, we will go over the proxy register, right? We can see the latest transactions, the balance of Ethers, the amount of tokens. Yeah, we can copy the ABI, we can go over the current states, we can go over the constructor, views, functions, payable, events, fallback, and we can also interact with the contract with the help of Rainbow Kit. We'll definitely continue building this project. Currently we faced a number of obstacles, such as the lack of API calls, and that we're actually making a lot of calls to Etherscan API, and we're not able to query all the necessary transactions and get all the data from just one API source. We will definitely add more contracts here and update the addresses to include, for example, girly, such as this, such as here, and we will definitely apply for Gitcoin grants the next available time period.